Kronii.
Up in my arm, Zeta.
Are you also using an Xbox mic?
What? My Xbox mic? Why? Is it crunchy? Why is it so crunchy? How do I change? Wait, settings.
Change your mic settings.
Okay, how about now?
It's still the same.
It's still the same? Why is it so ass? How about now?
Still the same.
Why the fuck?
I don't know how if you're playing on Xbox though.
She's not playing an Xbox.
Oh, you're not playing on Xbox?
Real
Then
gamers
press
play
E.
with Xbox mics, don't worry.
But the way you are quick scoping, that is way too quick. Reported.
How about now? Is it like less ass?
It's quieter.
But
I
it's
made it
not.
quieter.
Why you made it quieter?
I mean, 'cause it's like that, right?
Hey, yeah, it's okay.
It's
Make
perfect.
it louder, even louder. Is better.
Louder.
Oh wait, I know. Maybe it's because I turned on the AC.
am I holding?
What if I turn off the AC?
What?
Okay.
Could it
I
be?
don't think the AC is
Oh,
the problem because your microphone is kind of like
Guys, we should
I don't
say
know,
it's
like a
fixed so she keeps the
roomy-
Xbox mic.
What about now?
I mean, it's fixed, Kronii. It's perfect.
You liar! Why is it so crunchy?
Crunchy.
Wait, when do we start streaming?
People started
Yes.
already. From the moment you adjusted your mic, we were already like.
Yeah.
Oh
Okay.
no!
What?
Oh, I hope I didn't say anything bad. Okay.
Kronii.
Guys,
Did
this
I
is
say
the
They're
way
gonna
to
clip
go.
everything.
Come here,